Hey there, travel lovers. Welcome back to Gateway Travel's channel. I'm Amber, and today we're diving into a super exciting topic: planning adventure travel for families. At Gateway Travel, we specialize in helping travel agents create unforgettable experiences for their clients. But this video is all about helping you plan the ultimate family adventure. So whether you're climbing mountains, hitting the beach, or exploring a theme park, stick around because I've got some fantastic tips you're gonna love. And let me start with one of my favorite family adventures: kayaking down a serene river with my kids. It was unforgettable and taught me so much about planning. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about picking the perfect destination. When it comes to family-friendly adventure spots, think about places like national parks, beautiful beaches, or resorts with exciting adventure parks. These spots usually have something for everyone. Timing is everything. Find out the best season to visit your chosen destination. You definitely want to avoid massive crowds and crazy weather. Trust me, you do not want to be in the Grand Canyon during a heat wave or at a beach during a hurricane season. Also consider if the destination offers a variety of activities for different age groups. For instance, some parks have gentle trails for little ones while also having challenging hikes for older kids and adults. Be proactive here and read reviews or ask for recommendations from other families that you may know. There are tons of online resources that can really help you find the best family-friendly adventure. All right, let's talk money. Budgeting for a family adventure trip can be tricky, but it's totally doable. Start by setting a realistic budget that covers travel, accommodations, activities, and meals. To save some cash, look for deals on flights and accommodations. Travel apps can be your absolute best friend here. Booking in advance is often going to get you the best prices. You might also want to think about all-inclusive adventure packages. They can be a great way to bundle everything together and sometimes save a ton of time and money. And don't forget travel insurance. In my opinion, it's super important, especially if you're planning risky activities. Health and safety should always be your #1 priority. Next up, packing. The art and science of getting everything you need into your suitcase without overpacking. Start with a checklist. Include essentials like clothes for different activities, durable shoes, and gear for all the weather that you're going to encounter. You're gonna have to do some research here, but be prepared. You'll thank me. For adventure-specific items, think about what you're gonna need. Are you hiking? Do you need boots, swimsuits, snorkels, maybe even ski equipment? Essentials like first aid kits, sunscreen, insect repellent, and water bottles should also be at the top of your list. I personally really like to pack in packing cubes, or you can get the compression bags. This can save you a lot of space, but I think what I like about it the most is that it really keeps everything organized. Let's talk safety. It is so important to know and respect the physical limits of every family member that you're traveling with. Overdoing it can turn a fun adventure into a painful memory and experience. Research the safety measures specific to your activities. For instance, life jackets are a must for water activities. And make sure everyone is up to date on vaccinations and bring any necessary health checks or medical information with you. Ensuring your travel insurance covers all your planned activities is also a must. Better safe than sorry. Now let's get into the fun part: activities. Look for things that the whole family can do together, like hiking, cycling, or sightseeing. Also plan for some age-specific activities so everyone has something to look forward to. Maybe zip lining for the teens and play areas for the toddlers. Balance is key. Mix high-energy activities with downtime to keep everyone happy and well-rested. And don't be afraid to try new things. Safe, new experiences can be incredibly rewarding for kids and adults alike. Finally, creating those lasting memories. Capture the moments with photos or videos. I like to bring a small tripod and a decent camera to get those perfect family shots. Encourage the kids to journal about their experiences or work together to create a travel scrapbook. It's a wonderful way to relive the adventure later. Plan special activities like family campfires, scavenger hunts, or storytelling sessions to make the trip even more unique. And after you get home, take some time to reflect on the trip together. You could create a photo book or simply have a family discussion about everyone's favorite moments. We call these happy crappies. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to planning an amazing family adventure. I hope these tips help make your next trip the best one yet. Remember, Gateway Travel is here to assist you every step of the way. Don't forget to share your adventure travel tips or ask any questions in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome travel tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!